Good morning to you all. So today we are going to discuss another connective tissue, and that is tendon and ligament, which is the dense connective tissue, comes under proper connective tissue. This tendon and ligaments are also known as fibrous tissue. The word only is revealing fibrous means the tissue which are rich in fiber, So depending upon their fibrous nature, they are of two types. The first one is known as white fiber. Which is also tendon. It means what? Tendon is made up of white fiber. To know about these fibers, you please go through the video uploaded, that is areolar tissue. In this areolar tissue, I have made you understand complete structure of white fiber and yellow fiber. White fiber is also known as collagen. It is also known as collagen, and yellow fiber is also called elastin. What it is known as? It is known as elastin. To know this tendon and ligament, it's better to go through the structure. This is what, suppose if we take the example of two long bones, these bones are connected to each other by a fibrous structure called ligament. What it is called? It is called ligament. This ligament is made up of yellow fiber, which is elastic and flexible, and it is flexible also. So this is provided by the yellow fiber, which is named here ligament. At the same time, if the same bone has to move in this direction, so here another fiber is present, and that fiber is in bundle. This is not in bundle, it always remains single or branched. So this bundle is called collagen. What it is known as? Collagen. This bundle is connected by a muscles. It is connected by a muscles, which allow the muscles to move the bones. Why do you know? This collagen fiber connects muscles to bone. When you are bending your arms, at the same time muscles and bones, these both are bending. Why? Because your muscles are connecting to the bone or connected to the bone with the help of this collagen fibers. Otherwise, what will happen? If you will fold your hands, your muscles will remain there only and your bone will come up. So you can imagine the structure of your body if it happens. But this is the collagen fibers. What it does? It binds bone to muscles. So the fiber which binds bone to muscles called tendon. What it is called? Tendon. And this tendon provides it has high tensile strength. It provides high tensile strength. Because of this strength only, bones moves with the help of muscles. And do you know what is the main cell in this? The main cell is fibroblast. We all know well. I'll request you to go through the areolar and adipose. You'll understand in areolar tissues, this fibroblast only secretes two kinds of fibers, that is white fiber and yellow fiber. So how do the tendon looks, or what is the structure of this white fiber and yellow fiber? If you make an structure, as I have told you, white fiber is found in bundle. It is found in bundle connected with fibroblast cells. This is the white fibers found in bundle connected with the fibroblast. What is the structure of fibroblast? Irregular, having large protoplasmic space. Irregular in shape, having large protoplasmic space. This is fibroblast, in which this structure is connected. What is this? This is collagen. At the same time, very few you can see, this is what? Yellow fiber, which is branched and single. You may also see here that mast cells or macrophages. So this is the structure of white fiber. Then how do the yellow fiber looks? Yellow fiber is single and branched, so it is somehow like that. See, this is what the yellow fiber, and once again, as I told you, this is the fibroblast which secretes this yellow fiber. So this is also found right in between. This fibroblast will be found right in between, and by which this fibers are connected, and between some mast cells are there, and you know well ground tissues are also there. So this is the structure of ligament, or you can say yellow fiber. So once again, let me tell you that this dense connective tissues, depending upon their fibrous structure, they are of two types, that is white fiber and yellow fiber. White fiber is called collagen and yellow fiber is known as elastin, and these both are secreted by the cell known as fibroblast. This tendon is of collagen fiber. What it does? It combines muscles to bone, and this ligament is yellow fiber known as elastin, which combines bone to, or which joins bone to bone. It allows movement of the joint, and it allows movement of the body parts. So I hope you people have understood it well. If you have understood it well, so I request you, don't forget to write the comments and subscribe this channel for more and more videos. Thank you all of you.